Yo, what is guys, my name is DrunkyBearAslax and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at Twitch new live dashboard, create a dashboard. This is new. This is also a new video type of video that I'm making. I never done it before, so I'm doing this series called Twitch Things. So there's gonna be roll out more and more. Let me know what you guys think of this type of videos. If you want more tips and advice, leave a comment, smash a like, and follow my channel for more. And I also do gameplay, and as you can see, I stream on Twitch. So follow me on Twitch if you want to see me go live as well. So here it goes. Let's go dive into the video. So this is how it used to look, or how it's looking right now. But if you notice up here, update incoming. Be one of the first to try the completely redesigned created dashboard. Let's check it out. So, okay, I'm sure you guys are pretty familiar with this one, right? So, before we jump into the next area, here's your stream information. Here, do about your stream title, go notifications, go live notifications, what type of game you're playing, audience, you want stream sub only or everyone, some hashtag, some tags, stream health. I don't know. This is how about how good your internet is, and this one here is new, so I didn't got it until the new affiliate program. So now I can run ads if I want. That's interesting. Here's your stats. Here, how many views you have on your channel. You can click to hide. How many followers you have, how many subs you have, and then this is a preview of your stream. You can, while streaming, you can add stream markers. So you can just while you're streaming, you can just click on this, and then it will place a stream marker, so you can create highlight later or go back and clip the video if you want to create some clips. And here you have your Twitch chat. I have some of them. What do you call minimums or okay, my face cam is also in the way. Sorry. Not really sorry, but I am. Okay, so let's move my face cam a little bit, just so you guys can see what's in the other corner. So here we have video broadcast. Down here you can, if you pre-recorded a video, just like YouTube, you can post it here and you will run a premiere and rerun. Here you got, oh, all my video is expired. But you can add a video of your previous live stream and you can rerun it, and it will go as a rerun or a live video, sort of. So that's the broadcast. Let's hide it. And here you have a raid and host. While you're live, you can type in a channel, live channel, and raid them or host them, or you can do. And you, while you're playing live or while you're live streaming, you can see how many people that are currently hosting you, and this is your auto host. So how many people is auto hosting you, like that have added you to the auto host list. Extensions. I know we should have jumped to the new dashboard already, but I don't know why I'm explaining this. This is gonna, like, nobody's gonna use it anymore, I bet. So here's your extension. You can switch between what extension you have available at the moment, and activity feeds, how many people are following you, sub, cheers, and stuff. So let's go back. Oh, let's try out this new thing now. Let's go check it out. Hey there, DrunkyBearAslax, or your username it will be. You must have come a long way to get here. We're building a new assistance, full tools and informations to help you achieve your stream dreams. We'll let you know when it's ready, and go to stream dashboard. So here it goes. This is the first time I'm checking this out, so I have no idea how the layouts looks like. And I believe we can do some changes. We can move stuff around, as I heard. So what did I just move now? I have no idea, man. Okay, so this is the activity feed. This is the stream. So I guess can we add something? Channel analytic and stuff. Let's mix around with it a little bit, can we? So I want to have my stream in the middle, like bigger, as I'm really previewing it. And I guess for the chat, I will probably have it here, all the way to the left. Let's put this there. So for my chat, I would like to have it here, so I can see it clearly what's going on in my chat. Probably won't get that many messages, but whatever for this moment right now. I want to have the activity feeds lower if I can, like under this, but somehow it seems to not let me do it. Maybe we can do it like this. Activity feeds. We can probably have it here. Whoa, how can you read this? Can I edit quit actions? Okay, I can edit them. Don't need to do it right now. Just trying to get it like just in the same shape, like just under here, like the chat did. For some reason, it won't let me do it. See the chat, I can have it like that, but for the other one, I can't. Okay, we'll find another way then. The activity feed. This is quick action. Quick action is allowing you to edit the stream info, just like I told you previously. Chat, and now I can't move my chat. I can't like this. Come on. There maybe? Oh wait, what did there we go. What did I do? I have no clue. Yeah, why is everything I messed up now? I think I did. Yeah, I did. Sorry, this video is official effed up, as not intentionally was doing. Okay, there it goes. So now we have these two together. We have the chat completely for itself. How am I gonna make it this one into the middle? I believe maybe I have it there. Then I move this all the way there. There you go. Thanks, I fixed it. I think I fixed it. Just need to move it a little bit extra. So what I will do, I will have my chat to the right. I will have the activity feeds here, and I will have the stream info there. So this is how my setup looks like for now. So this is the section will tell you how many hours you streamed, how many viewers, and you can click on them to hide the viewer account, which some people is suggested is very useful because you don't want to look at your viewer count while you're streaming, because it makes you demotivated to stream. Total viewers, this one doesn't really matter, to be honest. How many followers, you can hide it, but whatever. Like, who wants to hide the viewer, how many followers they have? And also you can pop out everything if you want to pop them out. So let's check what is this thing. What's new? Ooh, interesting. We are excited to launch this dedicated space to communicate product change and policy change that impact the streamer community, so you don't have to check anywhere else. So I mean, yeah, so reruns, there are few known issues we have right now. This is what we care about now. Currently reruns are only accessible in the legendary dashboard. So if you want to do a rerun in this new dashboard mode, you have to go back to the old legendary dashboard mode. Extensions, I don't care about that, and all this is just what we did here. So okay, thanks. Question mark. Feedback. Okay, if you click on name, you can go back to your own channel. You can leave the new dashboard, and you can enable dark mode or the white mode. I don't know why would you do the white mode. And you can account setting. You can go back to account. We don't want to do it now. And yes, since you are able to edit your stream, wow, that was a whistle. I don't know what's going on. since you're able to edit your stream for here, so you can't edit your title from down here anymore, but you can click on edit title. So here's the name. Like for example, I'm playing Red Dead Redemption 2 at the moment, so this is you can change whatever you want to type. Actions just the same, and language, yeah, everything is just like the same almost. And while you're streaming, you can use clip that, and it will clip 30 seconds of your past the past 30 seconds of the stream, so it clip everything for you, and then you can adjust the length, I believe, later on. And then we can, yes, you can also decide if you have affiliate or a partner, you can run ads now. It is a new program that is rolling out for everyone. So while you're taking breaks, while you go to the toilet or something, or like something like that, you can run ads, and it will give you a little bit of small amount of money. If you're a small streamer, you probably won't make anything, probably some cents. But if you have like a lot of viewers, hundreds, thousands, then you'll probably make some dollars. Good to have. So this is rated channel. You can click on that and you can pick some people to rate. You can search, or you can rate someone that you're following. Nice to have. Prime subscriptions and loot reminder. What is that? And I got a pop up. This will appear right side of your stream. So, oh, I can control that. This is an extension that I have. So, while streaming, it will probably just pop out at the corner to remind people to sub to me. Okay, let's add something new. Let's add more. I mean, so we got clip that. We got ad breaks. Let's add that one. Stream marker. I would love to have that, because why not? I like to edit some of my clips and highlight sometimes myself. Stream information is already got. We already got that. Why do I have so many ads? Just roll them all. I don't care. I'm gonna edit them out later. Host a channel, raid a channel. We already got raid channels, so I guess we don't need to host a channel. And I barely raid anyone because I have so few average viewer at the moment. So if I get more, then I would probably do more raiding to support other streamers that I like. Chat history, I don't believe that's necessary. Like, I only clear my chat history if I'm doing some tests with my bots and Stream Elements bots, chat bots. Dodge emo chat only, we can add that one. So this will be a fun feature if somebody is rating me or donated, cheered. We can have a emote only chat, so everyone can just spam all the emotes they want. That'll be fun. And then follower only chat, and what do we have? Sub only chat. I'm not gonna use them right now because I don't have much. If I use my tips for you as a new streamer is do not have the followers only chat, because people will likely not follow you if you're a small streamer if you have this one, because you're kind of forcing people to follow you, to chat with you. Like, nobody wants that. And sub only, if you have a lot of sub, go ahead. If you don't, just leave it. So yeah, this is it. This is how it's gonna look for me. I'm probably gonna get rid of some ads because there's too many ads I have added. But let me know what you guys think of this new creative dashboard. Do you like the new one? Do you like the old ones better? If you enjoy this type of video, leave me a like. Even, yeah, this is my first type of video of this stream tips and stuff. So yeah, I'll probably do more if you guys like this type of videos. Leave a comment and go ahead and follow my Instagram, follow my YouTube, or you probably are watching it on YouTube, I guess. Follow my stream to see me go live. If you have any streaming questions, you can ask me on my stream while I'm live. And also see me go play gameplay. I know I'm bumbling a lot. It's 1 a.m., almost 2 a.m. I should probably go to bed. Okay, good night.